Welcome back to Factful Finance. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic, the future of AI-powered businesses. It's no longer a distant dream or just the stuff of sci-fi movies. AI is already transforming the way we do business, and if you're not thinking about how to get in on the action, now is the time. Did you know that according to McKinsey, AI has the potential to create $13 trillion in global economic value by 2030? That's a massive opportunity, and if you're wondering how to make money with AI, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what the future of AI-powered businesses looks like, how AI is reshaping industries, and most importantly, how you can tap into this revolution and start profiting. This is your blueprint for success, so let's get into it. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's an integral part of business strategy across virtually every industry. From automation in manufacturing to predictive analytics in finance, AI is the backbone of new business models. But here's the thing, AI isn't just for tech giants like Google or Amazon. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, and investors alike are starting to see the enormous potential of integrating AI into their operations. So what exactly should you expect in the future? First, let's talk about the massive potential of AI in various sectors. Healthcare, for instance, is one area where AI is set to revolutionize the game. With AI algorithms that analyze medical data, doctors can diagnose diseases earlier, predict patient outcomes, and personalize treatment plans. This technology is not just improving healthcare, it's creating whole new markets for innovation, investment, and job creation. Next up, AI's role in finance. Whether it's algorithmic trading, risk assessment, or fraud detection, AI is reshaping how we manage and grow our money. In fact, one study by PwC showed that AI could boost global profits in financial services by $1 trillion annually by 2030. That's a huge number, but it's also a call to action. If you're an investor, this is the time to align your portfolio with AI-powered businesses. The future of AI in finance looks incredibly bright, and there's still room for savvy investors to capitalize on it. Let's not forget AI's impact on e-commerce. Retailers are already using AI for personalized shopping experiences, dynamic pricing, and supply chain optimization. AI is making it easier for businesses to predict consumer behavior and tailor their offerings accordingly. In fact, AI-driven personalization in e-commerce has been shown to increase conversion rates by as much as 30%. For entrepreneurs looking to start an AI-powered business, this is a goldmine of opportunity. Now, here's where it gets exciting. How can you make money with AI? The good news is there are several ways to tap into AI-driven opportunities, no matter your background or expertise. For investors, the first step is identifying AI-focused stocks, funds, or startups that are leading the charge in AI innovation. Tech companies like NVIDIA, which designs AI-powered chips, and companies like Palantir, which use AI for data analysis, are just a few examples of profitable investments in this space. But it's not just about investing in big companies. There's also an opportunity to invest in the AI infrastructure that powers these technologies. Data centers, cloud computing, and 5G are all growing industries that will be integral to the future of AI. If you're an entrepreneur, the opportunities are endless. Think about the businesses you could start by leveraging AI for efficiency and scalability. Consider software as a service, SaaS models that use AI for automation. For example, AI-powered chatbots or customer service platforms can save businesses time and money while improving customer satisfaction. If you're in the e-commerce game, AI can be used to personalize product recommendations and predict customer behavior, increasing sales and customer loyalty. There's a tremendous need for AI-driven solutions across industries, and if you can identify a problem and build a solution around AI, you're looking at a potential goldmine. And if you're an employee or freelancer, AI isn't just a threat, it's a tool. In fact, according to a report from the World Economic Forum, AI is expected to create 97 million new jobs by 2025. Roles in data science, AI development, and machine learning are in high demand, and if you have the right skills, you can position yourself to be part of this growing field. Plus, if you're an expert in an industry like healthcare, finance, or marketing, you can use AI to enhance your productivity and create even more value for your clients or employer. Of course, like any emerging technology, AI comes with its risks. Data privacy, bias in algorithms, and the ethical use of AI are all critical considerations. That's why it's important to stay educated and informed about the developments in the field. When you're diving into AI-powered investments or businesses, be sure to do your due diligence. Know which companies are leading the way in ethical AI practices and where potential risks may lie. To wrap things up, the future of AI-powered businesses is incredibly bright. Whether you're an investor looking to get ahead of the curve, an entrepreneur building your next startup, or a worker seeking to capitalize on the AI revolution, there's a path forward for everyone. AI isn't just the future, it's the now, and there are countless opportunities to profit if you know where to look. Want to dive deeper into this topic? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit like if you found this helpful. Looking to take your financial knowledge to the next level? This video will help. Watch now. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.